Hey everybody, it's NJT Amtrak Guy. After watching the Silver Meteor run through back at Highbanks Road, I decided to stop and take a look at one of the new Sunrail stations being built. In case you don't know, Sunrail is going to be a new commuter train serving Central Florida. First phase will start from DeBary down to Orlando. Then the second phase will be DeLand to Kissammee. This here will be the first stop, DeBary. Still a lot of work left to do, but the next time I visit down here, Sunrail should be running. Early 2014, I believe. So yeah, this will be the DeBary Station, the first stop. As you can see, the bumper right there. Looks like it's going to be a pretty nice system. Looks like when it's complete, it'll be a nice system to watch grow. See, the train continues further down. So yeah, this will be the DeBary Station, the first stop. Then once Sunrail expands, it will go all the way up to DeLand. I've seen several of these stations, and a lot of them are nearly done. And as I said before, Sunrail will run from here to DeBary to Orlando. So yeah, this is just more of the future parking area. Yeah, this will be really nice to check out when I come back down here. See the trains, locomotives, see how they operate. But it's definitely something cool. Sunrail is going to be running 2- and 3-car trains to start with. And yes, here it is. Sunrail, future home DeBary Station. There is also another station down in Sanford, which is, I believe, the next stop from here, right outside of Amtrak's Auto Train station. Alright everybody, that's all the time I got right now, so I'll catch you guys a little later. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching.